Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat camera quality iPhone. It is a fast and easy tutorial, so let's dive into it. First, make sure that your Snapchat app is up to date. Outdated Snapchat versions might have bugs that affect camera quality. Open the App Store and update Snapchat if there's an update available. You should use rear-facing camera, which generally has higher resolution than the front-facing one. Tap the camera switch icon to ensure you're using the rear camera for better quality snaps. For photos or videos in low-light situations, consider turning on the flash in the Snapchat camera interface. Tap the lightning bolt icon. This can add extra light and potentially improve image quality. Another solution is to close background apps. Multiple background apps running simultaneously can consume resources and potentially affect camera performance. Close any unnecessary apps before launching Snapchat. You should also ensure you have solid internet connection. Snapchat relies on a stable internet connection, which is Wi-Fi or cellular data for optimal camera functionality. A weak connection can lead to blurry or pixelated photos and videos. Ensure you have a strong signal before launching the app. That is how to fix Snapchat camera quality iPhone. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.